What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to be installing a new engine cover. We got some custom art for the garage that came in. Huge shout out to S55 Covers on Instagram as well as Automotive Canva for sponsoring today's video. I'll put both of their Instagrams on the screen now for you guys to check them out and follow. Thanks for all the feedback on the last video with the yellow DRLs. But as always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell, follow your boy, and now let's get into this video. What up YouTube? We are in the garage today. We have two packages, two products that we're going to be unboxing for you guys today. Shout out to S55 Covers. I'll put their Instagram on the screen now. Some of you guys might have remembered that we've actually worked with S55 Covers before. We actually have their first variation of the S55 cover on my charge cooler right now. It says M3 competition. I'll pop the hood and show you guys shortly. But this is their second variation of the cover, and it's made of full carbon fiber. It looks absolutely incredible from pictures and everything that I've seen on Instagram. I can't wait to unbox this one and see what he sent out. And then right behind that, we have a very big package, as you guys can see. This is from Automotive Canva. Make sure you guys follow them on Instagram as well. I'll put their page up on the screen. They make a bunch of cool automotive canvases catered to whatever car and model that you have. It doesn't have to be just BMW. I've seen other brands on their website as well. I think once I unbox this, you guys will change your minds and you'll probably want one for your man cave, your garage, anywhere that, you know, the significant other will let you hang some car art. In this case, it's gonna go in my garage somewhere alongside, you know, everything that I have set up already. But that's enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and finally unbox these for you guys. All right, first on the list, we're gonna unbox the S55 Covers box that actually came all the way from Belgium. And before we do that, I'm gonna show you guys what his version 1 looked like. Some of the OGs might remember this video. We installed his version 1 on my charge cooler. You guys can see it says M3 competition right there. Looks super good in the engine bay. It was actually my first engine bay mod, if you want to consider it, that I did to my F80. It was a really easy and clean aesthetic mod to do to the engine bay without diving deep and breaking the bank. But I think he wanted to do something more innovative, and he actually came out with a carbon fiber version, and I'm super happy to unbox this for you guys. Who doesn't love carbon fiber? It's gonna go perfect with the strut brace and then anything else that I add in the future, maybe like a carbon fiber engine cover. But us being car guys, if you guys had the option between aluminum or carbon fiber, I think 10 out of 10 of us are gonna choose a carbon fiber one. So I already opened these boxes, by the way. I wanted to make sure that they didn't get damaged in transport, because this one actually came all the way from Europe. S55 Covers is actually based out of Belgium, so I was actually super surprised. I think he sent it last Friday and I think it arrived on Wednesday. So he does ship internationally, so that was super cool. And yeah, this came all the way from Belgium in just a couple days. It was packaged super nicely, super safe. You guys can see right here. It comes with some instructions how to install it. It's basically just applied with 3M. And I know this carbon version is actually a 2-piece model when his aluminum one was just 1 piece. And so this is what we actually have right here. Let's go ahead and untape it for you guys. You guys can see this is for an M3 competition, which is what my F80 is. And he also told me that as of recently, people that are ordering his new batch with the carbon fiber covers are also getting this little goodie bag right here. That is sick. Let me see if you guys can see that a little bit better. It is an M3 carbon fiber keychain with the M logo. That is freaking badass. I'm definitely gonna add this to my keychain, but that looks incredible. Literally made out of carbon fiber. It feels like high quality, doesn't feel like it's gonna break or anything. I think this keychain is an amazing personal touch. But now, let's get to the main event and let's unbox the actual M3 competition carbon fiber cover from S55 Covers. Holy hell, this is beautiful. You guys can see it right there, glistening in the garage light. You guys can see it's literally all carbon fiber, and the actual M3 logo is actually embedded into it. That is freaking sick. That is sexy. There's no other words to describe it. This is sexy. The competition logo is actually engraved as well inside the carbon. Man, this looks so sick. And then he already has 3M ready to go. So all you have to do is, you know, clean your air cooler with maybe some brake cleaner or some isopropyl alcohol. Make sure you guys have a clean surface ready for the 3M to adhere. And then you guys can see the back also made out of carbon fiber. These things are just beautiful. I know he sent a bunch of batches to Mashimaro, and I know Sean over there is pushing this as well. It's such a clean and simple mod that you can do to your engine bay, and it doesn't break the bank. So definitely recommend this. Can't wait to install this one. Next, we're gonna unbox the automotive Canva package. This thing takes up the entire screen, so I'm gonna do my best to keep it in frame for you guys, but this thing is massive. It's actually 24 by 36, I believe, and that's the same size as my Future Classic poster, but this is an actual canvas, and dude, this thing looks sick. Hopefully you guys can see that right there. You guys see how massive this thing is? It says F80 Ho on it. Oh my god, I can't wait to unwrap this. I actually haven't taken it out of the wrapper yet. I just wanted to make sure that it didn't get like bent or damaged in transport. And this also arrived in a very timely manner. You guys can see the packaging is really nice. Holy shit. This looks so sick. I only saw a render online that they sent me via email, but this right here looks freaking awesome. As you guys can see, it is a F80. We have the icon headlights to match my car, and then it has F80 Ho on here. If you guys don't want to go fully custom like I did, you guys can just have like M2, M3, M4, or whatever car that you guys have. They can probably make it work for you guys. But dude, this literally is my car right there. Wish you guys could see the smile on my face right now. This thing looks sick. I hope you guys order one yourself for the man cave or garage. I think it is the perfect addition. You guys can see how thick it is right here. It's super high quality. It's super durable. You guys can see it's just like, I guess, any other painting canvas, and it comes with some mounting hardware right there. You guys can see the details, the carbon fiber roof. No way. They actually have an option if you have a sunroof, they'll add a sunroof for you guys, but I got the carbon fiber roof, we got the icon headlights, you already know, and it literally looks like this car. So yeah, this one's definitely personalized to me, but even if you had like, let's say a purple F80, you can have it just say M3, and I'm sure they'll be able to make it happen for you guys. This is actually the biggest size poster that they have, again, 24 by 36. I know they have 2 other smaller sizes, so if you guys don't want the biggest one, they also have 2 other options for you guys, but I keep saying it, this thing is beautiful. You guys can have whatever make and model car that you have, and they'll make it happen. But look at the details. This is so clean, and I like the fade from the white to the gray because it literally, you know, makes the black stand out more. And I know they do the same for any other color that you guys have, but if you guys have any other color car, even individual, I'm sure they can make it work. So make sure you guys check out Automotive Canva on Instagram, and I'll link their website down below as well. Kona, what do you think? You like it? I think she likes it. Comment down below, guys, if you guys would get this for your man cave. But moving along with this video, man, look at the shine under the light of the carbon fiber cover. Man, the gloss looks so amazing, and the weave and everything looks great. But again, moving along with this video, the next thing we're gonna be doing is taking off my old cover right here.
A few moments later.
All right, so I have the other cover out. It got a little bent when I was taking it out, but you guys can see the difference right here. Again, very high quality. I think this is aluminum, and then you have the M3 competition logo here, but comparatively to the carbon fiber one, it literally is no match. Like, this thing is just beautiful. Can't wait to install it. So we're gonna basically reinstall it in reverse order, and so it goes something like this. This goes on the bottom side, and then the top side will go like this, and man, that already looks sick. Just cleaned it off with some isopropyl alcohol. So now we should be ready to reinstall the new carbon fiber cover. Okay, here's the engine cover. Peel back the 3M backing. What I'm gonna do is actually install it from this side, and I'm going to line it up perfectly to the rear of the cooler, and then slowly drop it down into the groove. It literally is a perfect fit. I'm gonna grab a microfiber and apply some pressure for about 30 seconds so it adheres obviously to the charge cooler, and then we're gonna go ahead and install the bottom piece right here, which should line up to the bottom of this top piece. And then same thing, You want to grab your microfiber, apply some pressure for about 30 seconds, and that's it. And just like that, the cover is on and it looks freaking amazing. You guys can see it right there. Last but not least, we're gonna hang up this beautiful, amazing, sick canvas from Automotive Canva of my car. We're actually gonna put it right here for now in between these two banners, the M logo and the F8X Freaks banner. So let's go ahead and do that in 3, 2, and 1. You guys see it right there on the wall. It looks freaking sick. I know some of you guys are gonna want one after seeing this. This thing looks so freaking clean. All right, YouTube, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Absolutely love my Automotive Canva canvas right there, and then my engine cover from S55 Covers. The carbon is immaculate. It's so glossy. It looks so good in the engine bay. I would consider this my first engine bay mod, and it looks freaking amazing. So shout out to both of those companies for sending those products out. I'll have everything linked down below, and make sure you guys check them out on Instagram and order your custom piece, whether it be an engine cover or maybe some art for your garage or man cave. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed this one, do me a favor, drop a like, hit the bell, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.